Tired of printing, signing and scanning documents just to send one PDF? Add digital sign to PDF document to make it authentic and protected. There's a faster way and it's 100% digital. Let me show you how to sign any PDF in seconds. With Systweak PDF Editor, you can add a digital signature to your PDF in just a few clicks. No paper needed. Let's see how. Once open, go to the top and click on the Secure menu. Then click on the digital sign. Click OK to close the quick tutorial window. Now click and drag your mouse to draw the area where you want your signature to appear on the PDF. You'll now see two options to sign your PDF. The first option is Certificate File. Use this if you have a certificate file saved on your computer. Click Browse to upload the file. The second option is Windows Certificate Store. Click on the Certificate menu and choose a type of certificate from the given options. After you select the certificate, you'll see details like who gave it, when it starts and ends, and more. You can type the reason why you're signing and confirm the location. Next, you can choose what other people can do with your PDF. You can allow form filling only, allow commenting and form filling, and restrict all changes. You can also configure how the signature will look. You can choose to show your name, date, location, reason, labels, issuer, logo, and even add a border to your signature. You can also click on Show Certificate to view the complete details of the selected certificate. If you open the Token Mode menu, you'll get two options, Basic and Advanced. Select the one that suits your security requirements. After checking everything, just click Sign and the signature will be placed in the selected area. Your PDF is now signed and protected. So that's how easy it is to sign a PDF digitally using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If there's any issue, just write it in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.